How did the Romans write 1000? If you said M, think again. This here is a replica of a Roman hand abacus from around the 2nd century AD. As you can see, there's an I for ones, X for tens, C for hundreds, and what's that? An infinity symbol for thousands? What's going on here? Okay, let's rewind. The original Roman symbol for thousands was an I flanked by forward and backward Cs like this. And with some variations, that's what you'll see on most Roman monuments from the height of the empire. For bigger numbers like 10,000 and 100,000s, they sometimes stacked even more forward and backward Cs, and you can still see those on the abacus, here and here. But over time, the thousand symbol evolved in two different directions. On one path, it got curvier, morphing into the infinity-like symbol on the abacus, though strangely, nowhere else we can verify from the Roman period. On the other path, it got straighter, morphing into the familiar M we all learned in school, probably influenced by the Latin mille for thousand, even though it didn't start that way. However, the M didn't appear until rather late in the Roman period and didn't really take off until the early Middle Ages. Okay, so what about the modern infinity symbol? That was first introduced by English mathematician John Wallis in 1655. And it would be super cool if I could say he got it from the old curvy symbol on the abacus. But in fact, artifacts like that weren't uncovered until long after his death. Truth is, we don't know where he got it. All we have is theories. But wherever it came from, somehow the infinity symbol ended up looking just like an ancient symbol for something decidedly finite.